Okay. Here we go. All right. So, I have a key. It's a Wiser smart key. I keep fucking it up because I have a second Wiser smart key now, and it's driving me insane having to put them in the same door, and it's literally making me crazy. So I'm gonna make a little red indicator case for this key here. See that? So we got to start with dimensions in Fusion 360. This is gonna be a fun little, easy, quick project. Shouldn't take me that long. I need to get my calipers. See if they're dead. All right. Not dead calipers. What do we got here? First, let's start a sketch on the bottom plane here. We're going to sketch our key. What do we got for this dimension? 22.3 millimeters. Great. I hit tab, 22.3. Now I'm going to go to this dimension. What are you? You are straight up 17 millimeters. Now, are we going to worry about the chamfers? Not yet. 17. Okay. Great. Perfect. We got our first rectangle here. That is the face of this key. Right? You see that? Bang. Focus. There we go. So, now we need to know two more dimensions. We need to know where this goes off the start. Shit, I gotta handle a situation here. That's great. Okay. So, next dimension. Calipers are really nice because you can just sit at the desk, get 12.6, right? Great. So we know that. Let's remember that. 12.6. Give me a note down. And then, since we're going to need a center, we're going to need a midpoint line. Oh, no. What we're going to need is a way to get the center here. Yeah, okay. Perfect. Okay, so that'll get us the center. So we need to know this distance. And I need a finer ruler because I can't measure that with the calipers. Here we go. Okay. So, let's get our, we don't want inches, we want millimeters. That is going to be 4 mil. So we're going to go up from here, 4 mil, or down rather. Okay. 4 mil, and then our line, remember our midpoint line. We wanted 12.6. Perfect. Okay. Now we can connect these up here. Perfect. Get our, where is it? Sketch dimensions out of the way. Okay. I'm not going to bother drawing the shank of the key because I don't really care about that. Now, let's get this dimension off the top here. Oh man, these people are a mess. Anyway, okay. So we're going to see right here. We're going to also call that 4 millimeters. And I'm assuming that this is going to be the same width, kind of. Yeah, what did I call it? 12.6. Great design. No, that's like, I'm going to call that 13.1. So let's go 4 mil. That was off the middle, right? Yeah, seems like it. Okay. Midpoint line. 13.1. Bam. Now, obviously, this thing has a slant, but I don't necessarily care about those slants because we're not gonna get in the way of those. We're just gonna remember that the 13.1 is the top and this is the bottom. I'm gonna make a thing. It's gonna print standing, and you're gonna slide the key into it this way. I think, or maybe 2 halves. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it comes out. Yeah, probably slide it. And then you can just glue it. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Or maybe slide the key down in. Now that would look ugly from the top. We want it to look nice from the top. Okay. So basically, we got our shape here that we want. Now we're going to finish our sketch. And what we can do is we can shift. Is it shift alt? Yeah, shift. Okay, shift. Great. Great. We can go extrude our thickness here. How thick is the key? Well, according to my fancy dancy ruler here, oh man, my eyeballs aren't good enough to see that. Okay, I think that's 2 mil. Should have just went straight to the calipers. 0 that. What are you? 2.1 you're reading? My plastic Amazon calipers? Sure. 2.1. Okay, great. So let's go 2.1 mil. Beauty. Now that's our key. So off of this, we can extrude what we need. This is our key. To make a case for it, we're just gonna build around it by pushing and pulling. Right? So let's see if I can remember how to do this. Basically, is there a way to lock? No, I don't want to lock that. I want to take all the faces I want to expand and just pull them out, and then have that operation save the tool, and then use the tool to cut. Yeah. Okay. Also, is this 3D printer ready to roll? You don't want firmware? Settings. Maintenance? No. Firmware? No. Not. Ooh, I almost turned it to Chinese. I don't know. Seems good to me. Okay. Okay. A1 Mini is ready to roll. Okay. So, what we can do is we're going to take all our pieces that we want to, yeah, we want to slide it on from the top, actually. This was the top. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull. No. We are going to, what was it? Oh my god. I want these, yeah. That is it. Fill it, press, pull. Chamfer, shell. No, it wasn't shell, it was... Yeah, it was press, pull. It doesn't... Oh, man. It doesn't just do that? Or doesn't it... How was I doing that to get it to fucking just make a bigger thing? Man. I thought this was going to be easy. I was just going to get in here and get it to go select all the faces I want and just... No, offset face. No, I don't... That... Why is it doing offset face? Okay, maybe we use this to create a new sketch. Create. Sketch. Sure. And then we can P, project, select, project, projection link. Okay. Just project yourself. Okay, great. Now can I select all these? Turn you off. Select. Where's the, yeah, offset? How thick do I want this case to be? How thick of layer lines do I usually, how wide? How wide is an A1 mini layer line? What is it gonna be? Uh, 0.4. Let me see the bamboo slicer. Where's the bamboo slicer? Slicer. No. Oh, fuck, I hate Windows. Bamboo. Oh my god. Jesus, I hate Windows. Okay. No. Ah! Now I got a Bamboo Studio update. Okay. Sure. Okay, close Bamboo. Yeah. Why does it have to delete everything? Doesn't make any sense. Basically, I just want to know how wide. Okay. line width, 0.42 millimeters. So I want 3 line widths. No, this isn't going to account for slop. Okay, next. Wall loops, just set to 3. Okay. Okay, device. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, so basically it's telling me go for 1.2 mil thick walls. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to go 1.22. Thank you, AI. We'll believe you. I believe it. Anyway, okay. So, this is our thingamahooey. We're going to have to adjust some slop into this. So what I'm going to do, actually, oh man, is I'm going to edit sketches, edit sketch, okay. So we have this offset. We're actually going to Control Z that, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. So, okay, to create some slop in this, just for the 3D print, we're going to go sketch dimension, no, offset, no, cancel, select all, offset, 0.1, okay, then, oh, that's not ideal. Then we go 0.22 from this. This is gonna fit way too fucking tight. I should have gone more than that, more offset than that. Okay. P, select. Oh no, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go get out of here. Okay. Have we made that sketch yet? No. Okay. Fine. Fuck you, dude. No, I can't push. Okay, we can press pull everything by 0.2. No. That's not what I meant. Why is it? Oh, okay. Okay, AI, riddle me this. Why in Fusion 3 is... When I select press pull. Is it doing offset face instead? Fuck you. What is this?
In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Fusion 360 offset face error, why it happens, and the quickest ways to get your model working again without breaking your design. If you've ever tried to push or pull a face and Fusion throws an error, you're not alone. This is one of the most common issues beginners and even experienced users run into. And don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. So first, what is the offset face error? This happens when Fusion 360 can't move a face inward or outward because doing so would create invalid geometry. In simple terms, the software is trying to protect your model from breaking. Now let's look at the most common causes. The first big cause is using an offset distance that's too common on Fusion and chamfers are obtained. Instead of applying faces is causing thoroughly dyslex shapes. Cleaning these up can look for tiny edges. Successful, you can reapply them afterward. Fourth, simplify.
No. Am I hallucinating? There was a way to just expand everything by a certain amount of dimensions. Will it work if I do like this? If I go like press pull. Okay, so that works. Where'd my body go? Where did my body go? Maybe I just designed the fucking slop into the thing right away. If I edit this sketch. Edit sketch. Okay. So, we said we're doing everything by 0.2. Let's see how this messes everything up. Okay, that didn't work how I expected. Ah! Fuck. Okay, fuck this sketch. New re-sketching. Create sketch. Okay. Measuring. Key. Add 0.2 to everything. 22.2, that's 22, 22.3. 22 we're gonna go with 22.3 plus 0.2. Tab. 22.5. Enter. Okay, great. Next. You are, according to this, 17. 17.2. Enter. What? How in the fuck? Enter. Okay. Great. So now this, we don't care about having these more. We just want them 4 mil because they're not going to fuck with our design. X means the center, I believe. Okay, great. Now what? Create midpoint line. This, it was, bam, 12.7 plus 2 is 12.9. Enter. Bam, bam, bam. Line. Line. Okay, you were... We're going to say the same. We're going to say, no, what, did we say the same? $13 plus 0.2. Create midpoint line. 13.2. Bam. Engineering the slop for the 3D printer right into it. Maybe this case will fit loose. Then we can always press pull in. Okay, so we're back to our thing. Fucking thing. Now, I don't really want to work with sketches anymore. Let's do it the hard way. Extrude. Now, we said this was how thick? 2.1. We are going to go 2.3. Bam. Okay. So, actually, we do need another sketch. We do need to do our projection bullshit. Okay, so. Great. Create sketch. P. Okay, no. Why are we doing lasso select? I don't know how to get it off lasso select. P. Okay. Okay, great. Why the fuck is that selected as geometry? What is that horse shit? Where did you come from? What? What? Edit sketch. Okay, editing sketch. P. Select face. Okay. Okay, great. That's all we wanted to do. I don't need the crazy extra bullshit. Now we are going to offset this by 1.22. Enter. Amazing. Finish sketch. Great. Okay, so now what we can do is we can, how thick was this? 2.3 plus 1.22 equals 3.52. Okay. Let's extrude that. Extrude that. No, we want to extrude everything. By, because we're going to use the other body to cut. Okay, extrude minus fucking 3.52. 3.52. Bam. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Okay, this extrude 1.22. Enter. Great. So now Now we can cut this. See this? We're going to use this to cut this. Okay, so combine, no, split body. Body to split this. Splitting tools. That. No, we don't want to split. We want to. Do we want to combine? Yeah, we want to cut. Oh, that's fucking awesome. Target body. Okay, target body. Tool body. Keep tools. Okay. So now we got a hole in there. That's great. So now is where we want to cut. We want to split body. Body to split. This body. Splitting tools. That. Hiya. Okay. That's split. Perfect. So this is our body that we want. And so we started from the bottom. Now we're here. No. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Okay. Yes, great. Okay. So we want to split body to split this body with splitting tool, that splitting tool. Okay. Now, I forgot about the hole in the key. That's going to be important. Interesting. Okay. That's okay. We can make a sketch for that in a second and use it to just cut through. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Okay, so that's that. Now we have to split this body yet again. Split body with that splitting tool. Okay. Perfect. You see how this is coming together? The key is going to slide into that. It's going to slide into that. Now, in relation to this body, body 1, where is the hole? Up here. Create sketch. So it's halfway in between this line, like basically it's centered on this line, and it is, okay, so let's go here. Let's give us a, no. Okay, we want to do P. Okay, great. Now we want to do this. Bam. Now we want to figure out how big this baby is. 4 millimeters. 4 millimeters. 4.2 millimeters. Midpoint line. Create midpoint line from the X. 4.2. Bam. Okay, now how wide is it? How wide are you? You are 8.2 wide, so 8.4. 8.4. Midpoint line. Perfect. Okay, great. So now we just need to make this a box. Boop. 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 No. That was fucking crazy. Go to the right number. Oh my god. 4. No. 2.1. Fuck you. Why don't you just align yourself, you piece of shit? .1. No, not 21. 2.1. Enter. Okay, great. Line. Perfect. Okay, so now we want to arc. Arc? 3-point arc? Ellipse? Conic curve? Center diameter circle. No, create circle. Two tangent circle. Tangent, tangent. No, okay. 3 tangent circle. Create circle. 3 tangent circle. Circle, circle, circle. Why are you going up there? That's not what I want. Create circle. 3-point circle. Point, point, point. Okay, that's pretty good, I guess. Create circle. 3-point circle. Point, point, point. Seems pretty good to me. Finishing the sketch. Okay, great. So now we can use this bad bitch. Bam, bam, bam. What the fuck? Control. No, shift. Yeah. Great. Okay, Jose. We have this sketch. We don't need this body anymore, but we want... Why don't you let me fucking look around? Okay, fine. Bam! Wow, you just see that, folks? Folks! Check that shit out. Extrudage. Boom. Okay. Oh, actually. No, do we? No. We want to do... Okay. Okay, we want to edit this sketch. Edit sketch. Edit sketch. Okay. So from here let's project this P. Okay. Great. So now we want nothing. We don't want that. What's a good look? Yeah, just to line at tangent from point. You know, like if I did that. Interesting. Interesting. No, okay, we want to go here. Then we want to go line at tangent from point. Right? Yes. Okay. Here to here. Here to here. Something like that. Finish that sketch. Okay, now, so. Would you let me rotate the fucking thing? How is it? Is it shift that? Yeah. Why was that not working? Am I crazy? Holy shit. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. I left my fridge open. Folks. Okay. Okay. Let's extrude this baby. Ooh. A little shaky. Okay. Now. This is good. Okay, now. Okay, get out of my way. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. Boom, boom, pow, boom, 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 boom. Oh, I don't want to have to reselect all this twice. But I'm gonna have to. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Extrude. Nice. Okay. No! Why did I select that? Can I get my selection back? Really? No? Are you fucking kidding me? Ugh, this is what I hate about Fusion 3. Why doesn't it keep my selection? So I can keep using it. Okay. Now good. Extrude. Is there a keep selection setting? No. Okay. Just really fun and cool stuff like that, you know? Get down in the corner here, please. Oh my god. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. Bam Margera. Okay. Great. So now, do I want these pointy edges on my keys? No. I might, you know, these corners will round themselves off because it's a 3D printer, like these edges, but these corners are gonna be solido. So what we're going to do to handle that is we're just gonna go bam, bam, and we're gonna go fill it. I don't know. Fuck, what? 0 point, let's see how 0.5 feels. Yeah, okay. Sure. Maybe more than that, actually. Yeah. Where's my, can I edit this? Edit feature, edit feature. 0, let's do 1. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Now, if this doesn't fit first try, I'm gonna be like fucking confused. Will that bridging be fine in the slicer? I think so. Why not? Why couldn't it be? Why could it not be fine in the slicer? Okay, so, file, 3D print, bam, okay, Bamboo Studio time. I'm gonna 3D print a key thing. This is gonna take what? How long do you think this print is gonna take here, folks? Okay, so we don't want to do that. We want auto orient. Yes, look, it's smart. It's smart. PLA basic. Extra fine. Slicing. Let's see what this does. Print time, 23 minutes. Oh, look, it's perfect 3 layers. Oh, yes. Wow, we crushed that. Okay. Let's load up the Filamento. How much filament do I have? How much does it say it's going to take? 1.48 grams. Prepare and time-lapse time. Model printing. Really? This is going to take 30 minutes? Jesus. Okay. Well. We can, I don't know. Fuck around on the internet for 30 minutes. Okay. Filament. Load. Don't quite get it there. Heat the nozzle. I like to keep my filament in bags while I'm, you know, doing it. So that was great. That was a great showcase of my Fusion 360 skill. You know? That's really good. But if this works first try, that'll tell you I've learned a thing or two about the 3D print game. Now, if it's too big and it slops around because the slack I put in, I don't think it's gonna. I think the slack's gonna be perfect. I think the slack's gonna be ideal. Boop boop. Boop boop. Beauty. Okay. Let's get a print started. Come on, thing. Nice. Look, it dropped right in. Oh, can you not see it back there? Oh, you kind of can. Can I fuck with this to get it to... Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Okay. Wiser. It'll be none the wiser when I 3D print a key case for this key, and I won't be able to fucking keep putting in my door and not knowing what it is. And I'm purposely covering the slots of it because it's not a key to anything I own. I'm just gonna let that be. If anyone who knows me watches this, you might figure that out, what that key's for. Anyway. Doodly-doo, is it ready? Is it ready to go? Load completed. Okay, perfect. Load completed. You know what? That's what I always say. Load completed. Send. Plates on. Plates clean. Send. Ooh, this might... do we want a raft on this? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It should be fine. It's not PETG. PETG was fucking me there for not sticking a little bit. Not gonna lie. Okay, so what do we do now for 32 minutes? Boodly-doo. Okay. Let's go play something on the interwebs. Since we're waiting, Time Guesser. Did they corporate it? Oh, daily. What's the daily challenge? West Texas Stockyards. Regular weekday commission. Cattle 50 cents per head. They had license plates back then. 1989? If this is 1989, that's so fucking funny. Is this timed? 1939. 1938. 39? 38? 1939, yeah, it's gotta be like dirty 30s. It seems dirty 30s. Okay, where in Texas? West Texas. El Paso? Midland? Lubbock? Lubbock. I like a Lubbock. You know, fuck it. Lubbock. 19. Ooh. These guys are gay if they're hanging around during the war. Look at this fag. Damn. 1939. And it's gotta be like 46 or something. It's gotta be post-war. 47. Make guess. Year. You were 8 years old. That was literally 39. Those fucking dickheads. They have brand new cars. Damn, you'd think a 1939 license plate would be still around in 1947. Anyway. Interesting. Next round. Whoa, Sevastopol. First, we gotta find Sevastopol. Chelyabinsk. I feel like Sevastopol is fucking somewhere like. No, that's Vladivostok. Where's Sevastopol? Smolensk. Sevastopol down here. Stavropol. Okay. Can I grab this map and drag it? Yeah, I can without clicking. Okay. It looks like really modern too. Like they wouldn't have that shit going on in communist Russia, would they? Kino? Where the fuck is Sevastopol? I've heard of Sevastopol. That's like the problem. Is it Siberian? It feels like Sevastopol would be like the siege of Sevastopol. Like, you know, like a fucking war, like it happened. It's probably right in front of my eyes, too. Is it in Ukraine? Oh, yes. It's in Crimea. Interesting. Crimea when? Crimea River. Airplanes are a thing. FP. FP. What does this say here? Filma. Kino Sevastopol. I want to go like 80. I want to say 80s. But I also want to say like it'd be really funny if it was like 1995. Can I turn on satellite view? Whoa, why are we zooming in and out like crazy? I don't know where downtown Sevastopol is, so Chicken Chic. Yeah, that sounds like something this would be around. This is gonna be totally the wrong year. Right after the fall of the Berlin Wall. I don't know if that was 91 or 92. Let's try it. It's in Prague. That's a fucking lie. Nice trick. Ooh. Ooh. Greek? Greek stuff? Yeah, Greek stuff. Okay. Kick out the bleep from the UN truce force. English leaves Cyprus. Is Cyprus Greek? Interesting. Well, maybe they're Turkish Greek. Looks like a decent sized city. The Greek side, Paphos. Sure. Really old. What does this look like, this car? I don't know. Coca-Cola. Clark shoes. Firestone tires. This has got to be like the 70s. I don't know. Fuck. Try to get cute with it. Midway kiosk. What? What the fuck? Telephone box. This is like some like Dutch shit. Like where it's like so close to English, but it seems like stupid as hell. Yeah. And there's bicycles. There's bicycles. There's this lady. That's the Dutchiest lady I've ever seen. I can't tell what that flag is. It looks Dutch. It looks Dutch flag. Screaming Dutch. Screaming. Nah, let's go to The Hague. The Hague. I like The Hague. The Hague. Older. No. These cars look okay. I don't know. 66. Ooh. That's the same thing. Danish, Dutch. Shut up. You're all speaking Nazi English. Okay. Ooh. What the fuck? Yo, this is crazy. What the fuck? So this has got to be Russia. Or some type of Ukraine type meme. Belarus. Pvikok. Bic pens. There's an open wheel racing car. Open wheel racing car. I don't know what that... I should know what that building is, I feel like. And I should know what that flag is, but I can't tell. St. Petersburg. On a main thoroughfare. Yeah, like something like this. Something like... Oh, that doesn't look building-y enough. Okay, let's go Moscow. Is there a big fuck-off road in Moscow? Oh, yeah, there is. That's kind of a little straight, but also a little not. In the Yunski district. Okay, this is gonna be like 1995. Hey, that one's pretty okay. Damn, they got white ass streets. How many people live in fucking Moscow? Jesus. Okay, interesting. Final score. Does that mean I'm good? What is this? What the fuck? I've never heard of any of this. Hold on. Hold the phone. How much time do we have until this is done? 18 minutes. Okay. Give me a minute. Give me a minute, folks. New York Times crossword. Look how I spelled times. No, you don't get to see it. Can I sign in? Can I sign in? Log in. Continue with Apple. Uh-oh. Continue. Fuck. Just leaked my email. Continue. Okay, folks. Nah. I'm gonna run out of my New York Times subscription eventually. Ooh, this is a bright white. Damn, you fuckers. Okay, play the crossword. Can I play the archives of the crossword? Yeah. Give me a Monday. Alright. One of the two fruit flavors in Sprite. Lime. Next. Has no choice. Has no choice. Okay. Skip. The plot thickens. Islamic prayer leader. I don't know. Fucking shaman. Imam. Sure. Poker players buy-in. Oh fuck. The God damn it. The blind. Big blind. Small blind. No? Buy-in. When you re-buy-in? I don't know. Okay, Italian Paul. Paulie! I have no fucking clue. Well-dressed guy. Sharp. Alright, fuck it. Let's go. Let's see if we can't get these down. Down. Covers for pots. Lids. Apple with a big screen. iPad. iMac? iMac. No, I'm never gonna get that one. I don't eat tofu. Okay. Venomous arachnid. Scorpion. Mayo tofu? I don't know. Catherine the Great. Etc. I don't fucking know. Okay. So we're doing a cross here. Italian Paul. Arctic indigenous group. Why can't I remember it? Inuit. Right? Inuit TurboTax. Right? Inuit. Sorry, I gotta tweet that. Inuit TurboTax. Yeah, that's pretty. Hey, that's pretty good. Inuit TurboTax. Not dormant as a volcano. What would be alive, awake, ready to go, dormy? I don't know. A in German. Holy fuck, this is a hard Monday. Autobahn speedometer measures. KPH? KMH? This is gonna be a problem. Okay. Sauce for mozzarella sticks. Marinara. Great. Erase. Erase? No, I don't know. Reeked. Stunk. Yeah. Half a score. I don't know. Okay, let's see if we can get this now. Has no choice. Must. Poker players buy-in. What? Asked? Half a score. Tie? No. Insta posting. Pick? Pink animal of film. Penguin? But that's not pink. 1963 Kingsman hit with a repetitive title. What? Martini garnish. Olive. Slept. If it's Polly. Yeah, we're gonna just say it's Polly. Polly. They're racist. The New York Times. I don't like that. I want to pencil that. Pencil. A. U. Y. Okay. Someone's screaming at me going, this is easy. Okay, now I understand. Oh. Oh. Aha. Turn the pencil off. Aha. Okay. Pangolin. Stand. Okay. What is this? A in German. Don't know. Ein. Take as advice. Seek. Seek. I don't like that either. Schlepped. It's definitely plot, Inuit, and olive. I don't know about seek yet. I don't know about seek yet. Seek. Potpourri? No. Fragrant bits. Yeah, I don't fucking know. Jesus Christ. This one's hard. It captures ballpark smooches. Kiss. Can't. Oh, fuck. Give me the thing. Kiss. Cam. Yep. Stand for a poster. I don't know. Stand for a poster. Easel? Easel? What? Pen. No, these don't seem right. Polly. That also doesn't seem right. What is 23 down? I don't know. Lines on a GPS. Roads. Directions. What the fuck? ISIS? I don't know. That makes sense. I see. Key chess piece. King. On location inspections. I don't know. Ping pong table divider. Net. Birds in V formations. Geese. Okay. Site visits. Site visits? What is V gonna be? Is this gonna be clearly a V? Cast a ballot. Vote. Okay. This is gonna be Empress. Which means this is gonna be Ein. Which is the most German thing ever. I don't even care if it's not sweeping in scope. Epic. Right? Okay, what does this mean? Dapper. For sure it's stun. Stunk. Yeah, dapper fun, dapperoon. Undo, dapper duppy, dapper do dug, dapper dop, dapper duck, dapper woo, dapper do, dapper dur, dapper tu, dapper doy, dapper oot. Ooh, dapper dapper DUI, dapper duo, dapper dup, dapper dua, dapper dus, dapper dud, dapper duff, dapper dug, dapper dud, dapper jud, dapper cuh, dapper duck, dapper dull, dapper does, dapper ducks, dapper duck, deuce, dapper duve. Dapper dub, dapper done, dapper dumb. I don't fucking know. Poker players buy an ante. Half a score. Half a score? 4 scores. This must be 10. Dapper done? That doesn't make any fucking sense. Dapper done? What? Okay. Penciled. Fuck you, get penciled. Okay. Kiss cam. Sulky State. Sulky State? I have no clue. What's this? Containers for fruit preserves. Jar. Jet. But, I have no clue. Oh, it's a hot tub nozzle. Jet. Jam jars. Has to be. Boozy brunch drink. Mimosa. What are you? Hilarious person. What? Breakfast beverages for short. OJ's. OJ's Simpsons. Riot. Capital with 4 tours. Oslo. Ford. Petals. Oh, hey folks, guess what's done? Great. The maneuver. Let's let that cool for another like 10 words, and then we will get back to it. Okay. Green Day or Pink Floyd. Rock band? I don't know. Rock stars. No. You just want to be at sea? Lengthy rants. I do not really consider the Beatles rock. That might be a crazy take, but I don't think it's that crazy. Sulky State. Oh, I had that wrong that time. So what was this? Down. And that's that. Okay, Sulky State. I don't know. Snacked. No clue. Off-Broadway awards. Tony. Like throwbacks. What? Otherwise. Okay, what are you? Italian Paul. Active. Aha. Schlepped. I have no fucking clue what does schlepped even mean? Like barely you're like fucking walking around like Squidward? Oh my god. Pink animal of film. What animal was pink in a film? Pig? I have no fucking clue. Okay, what are you? Doll with neon hair. Troll? Are troll dolls? Do they? I don't know. Burj Khalifa's country for short. UAE. Right? I think. Come down to Earth land. Family facility that produces coins. Mint. Okay, what's this? Sounds like a plan. Let's. That's a really bad, stupid clue. Lengthy rants. No idea. What the fuck is this? I assume that's going to be an O. Because this is an O. UI. Right? Oh, yeah. Stank. Dapper Dan. Sure. That makes sense. Sissa. Jaja. Louis. Easel. Like that. Is that a word? Easel. Louis. Okay, does this make sense? Take his advice. Seek. Sure. Fuck it. Pantser. It can't. Easel is fucked. That's fucked. Lines on a GPS. STS? No, that doesn't make any sense. Okay. We haven't even exposed the whole puzzle yet. Okay. Lengthy rants. S. Okay. Sulky State. Nat. Geo Wild. Okay. Is this cooled off enough yet? $51C. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good for me. Oh, yeah, okay. This is gonna work, I think. This is gonna work, I think. So, you want to check this out? Let's go back to what we designed in Fusion 360. Can we look around here, folks? What's the best way to look at this? Something like so. Sure. So we have that now. We've 3D printed that out. Now, I can take my key. And does it fit? Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. There's like only a tiny... It's actually perfect. It's actually so fucking perfect. Holy shit. Now it just needs a little craggle. And you know what? We have a key that I'm never going to fucking forget about ever again. Damn. Okay. Might have to sell this one. Just kidding. Who cares? It's like a 12-minute print. Where is my crazy glue? Yes, my yellow ass crazy glue. Okay, let's get this all over our fingers now. Is this gonna come out of the bottle? I hate this crazy glue. Fuck these labels. Let's get this out of here, this shit. Yep, it's coming. It's working its way. Okay, that. And that. Just fuck it. Let's just push it against the desk. Yeah. Yeah, come on, you fucking thing. Come on! Okay, it's finally sort of working. Actually, I want to do this over a piece of... Yeah, sure. You know what? It might be easier if I cut this to a bigger hole. Bigger hole? Give me a bigger hole. Hell yeah, okay. Perfect. A bigger hole. Okay, so there's crazy glue on one side of the key. Now how about the other? Okay, we're glued. Glue is going crazy here. Now we're gonna fucking glue this bitch on here. And it ain't never coming off. Yeah, yay! Hell yeah, look at that. Nice. Literally fucking perfect, dude. Holy shit. See that? Bam. 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 Fuck yeah. Now I'm totally gonna put it in the store, and then when I do, I'm gonna be like pissed. But anyway, oh now I got crazy glue on me. Okay, let's just leave that alone for a minute. Just dry itself off. Put our glue back. Fuck yeah. Easy mission accomplished. Okay. No, I don't care. Bye. You accomplished what I needed you to. Let's continue this New York Times crossword. Nat Geo Wild. Popular chain for RVers. No idea. Snacked? No idea. Hot pepper name for Cuba's capital. Cuba's capital is what? I have no clue. Totally agree, or what the circled letters are in different languages. Da, we, yes. 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 Si, yes. Yes. Two yeses. Yes. Yes. Like throwbacks. Oh, fuck. What is the title? Why is that not why is that a 4-letter word? Roaring 20s and the swinging 60s. Good decades? Otherwise, hotel worker. Hotel worker. Overhaul. Oh, fuck. We're so fucked. It's gotta be Louie Louie. Lines on a GPS. ETAs. Green Day print rock band. Sure. And that's that. Wander aimlessly. Meander. What the fuck? Lengthy rants. Screeds? I have no clue. Okay. Wrap up. End. Singer Chappelle Roan. Scares the fuck out of me. Sound asleep. Question mark. Question mark. Question mark is weird. 2016 prize for Bob Dylan. Grammy, Emmy, Grammy. Greek letter that symbolizes angle. Theta. That in Spain. Spumante. Bronte's Jane Eyre? That's probably not how that's spelled. What the fuck is this? Havana. Rockva. Enjoy a fantasy, say. Dream? No, I don't know. This is very Spanish. Zauquin Berkinel. Bernicle. What the fuck? Okay, hold on a minute. Whoa. Okay, that's not what I expected. Okay. Sweet potato. Yam. I like that one. Italian Paul. Poli. Hey, Poli. Sulky State. Sulky State. Sad. I don't know. What do we know? Snacked. Yes and yes. What the fuck? Okay, made. What in the fuck? Habanero. Habanero? Oh. Habanero. Enjoy fantasy, say read. Eras. Redo. Read. Also. Nobody knows what the fuck Osso Buco is. Okay? What in the fuck is that? What the fuck is this shit? It actually looks good as shit. Man, this is the most fucking Italian, Spanish, European fucking one I've ever... This is gonna be the last letter and we're gonna have to guess it. Acai? I have no idea. Okay. Snacked. Packed, eated, ested. So long. So, and that's that. So much. What the fuck? We're not gonna be able to do this Monday one. It's gonna be fucked. How much time? How long has this been live? This has been live long enough. Okay, we're giving up on this. Fuck you, Zalquin Burnickel. What was Will Shorts look like? Will Shorts. Damn. Anyway. That is a Will Shorts, I would say. Yeah. What does Rebus do? I don't know what Rebus does. Yeah. Alright. Paulo? That's even more racist than I could have come up with. Heed? Toted. No. Asti Spuma. No. Sulky State. Snit. Noshed. Obies. Okay, I could have maybe that one. Otherwise else. Snore. Nobel. Bob Dylan won the Nobel Prize? What the for fucking what? Oh. Fuck, if Bob Dylan can win the Nobel Prize in Literature for that, fucking MF Doom can. Anyway, with that, good night.